The dust collection that came on the Delta 36725 table saw is terrible, so I decided to make some changes. I begin by flipping the saw over and removing the dust collection that it came with. This system was very inefficient, and I planned to fill this cavity with a shroud I bought from Grizzly. I measure the opening to cut a piece of plywood that will provide the main structure to build the collection system. After cutting the plywood with my circular saw, I mark the corners to cut out the areas that will fit around the legs of the base. I then take it to the bandsaw to cut the corners out. After that, I laid the shroud in place to mark where I need to cut out the opening. I then draw lines 7/8 of an inch in from the lines I marked around the shroud to leave enough material to attach it. I drill half-inch holes in the corners of the inner lines and cut out the opening with a jigsaw. I put a screw into two corners to keep the shroud lined up with the opening in the plywood, after which I drill pilot holes for the rest of the screws. I then flip it over to add the rest of the screws. Next, I attach it to the frame underneath the trunnion assembly. I then reattached the support panels I previously removed to gain access to add the dust collection. I use masking tape to close off the opening that the factory dust collection port originally came through to improve the vacuum for the dust collector to work more efficiently. I clean the panel with mineral spirits to remove dust and residue so the tape can adhere to the surface. I add tape to both sides of the opening. I then reattach the back panel to the cabinet. Putting the table saw back in place, I hook up the dust collector and take it for a test drive. That is definitely a big improvement over the original setup. This saw really sucks now. If you like what you see here, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and come see me on the next one.